Today I'm at the 2025 Lawn and Landscape Technology Conference. Look at this place. We are here and I'm about to walk around and ask business owners what is the best advice that they would give to you to help you get out there and win in life and business. Let's go. What's your name and the name of your business?
Eric Triplet, the Pond Digger.
What is some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
If they're just starting out, if you don't love what you're doing, don't do it, man. Don't do it for the money. You got to do it for your heart and your passion. I think that's the most important thing. Because it's a grind. It's a lot of hard work, and so if you're not loving what you're doing, you know you're gonna get burnt out.
I love it. Where can everyone find you if they want to get in contact with you?
At the Pond Digger Instagram or the Pond Digger podcast, you can jump on over and listen to me rant.
What's your name and the name of your business?
I'm Charman, and I work with All American Landscape.
All American Landscape. What do you guys specialize in?
Hardscapes, turf. We're from Las Vegas, Nevada, and we just do hardscapes, turf, pavers, maintenance, everything that you could possibly ask for in a landscape.
What's some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
If you're just starting out, treat your business as a marketing company and sell a great product. Be happy about your product, make it a great one, do what you love.
What's your name and the name of your business?
My name is Braden. I work for All American Landscape.
And obviously they just heard what y'all specialize in.
Yep.
What is some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
Some good business advice that I would give somebody is treat your customers as if you were the homeowner that you're doing the work at. Treat every home as if it's your home and your landscape and your project that you're working on. To give them the product that you would want at your house.
How old are you guys?
I'm 25.
I'm 24.
These young fellas got it together, man. Let's go. That was some great advice, man. We'll go find someone else now. What's your name and the name of your business?
Mike Garvey with Coastal Fertilization.
What's some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
If they're just starting out, I would say find a mentor and a business coach, and doesn't have to be anything formal, but even to expand on that, get around a community, get around guys that want to help, and take in as much content and as you can and ask questions.
Where can everyone find you if they want to get in contact with you?
Well, I'm on Instagram at Coastal Fertilization. I also have the podcast, the Side Hustle Squad podcast, on Instagram and also all listening platforms.
Awesome. Cool. See my man. Let's get some more advice. Let's go. What's your name and the name of your business?
Larry for Amazing Creations Landscaping.
What's some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
Just keep trucking along, man. Don't stop. Just keep going. You're going to have good days. You're going to have bad days. But if you don't have the bad days, you're not going to learn. The bad days make you learn more than anything imaginable, believe it or not. Just keep moving along. Always buy good pieces of equipment, especially starting out. Downtime is going to be very important. You don't want to have any downtime. You want to just keep going. So that's my advice.
Awesome. Well, where can everyone find you if they want to get in contact with you?
You go to my website at acllawn.com. I'm on Instagram, Amazing Creations Landscaping. I'm on Facebook.
He's the other half of the Side Hustle Squad podcast. My man Larry. Appreciate you, bro. What's your name and the name of your business?
Chris with Ryon Trade.
What's some good business advice you would give someone if they're just starting out?
Basically, go ahead and hopefully work for other companies first, so you get a good experience on, what works in other companies, because you don't want to practice on your own new startup. You want to learn from the experience of very well established companies, so you're not repeating their issues, because that's going to cost you money and could put you in the poorhouse.
Awesome, man. That was
So
great
learn from
advice.
experience.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
What's the name of your business?
EXPO Green.
EXPO Green. What is some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
Just starting out. Don't be afraid to fail.
I like it. What's your name?
Dave.
Dave, name of your business.
EXPO Green.
EXPO Green. What's some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
Don't be afraid to fail.
Don't be afraid to fail. It's an ongoing thing. What's your name? The name of your business?
We're all in the same business.
Okay. Well, what's some good advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
I would make sure when you're starting out to try and find some good people and hire some good ones at the outset and build from there.
Awesome, man. Thank you so much.
You bet.
Hey, you getting good advice today. I don't know what you, man. You get some good advice. Let's go. What's your name and the name of your business?
Jake Coker with Propane Power Systems.
Okay. What do you specialize in?
We convert gasoline engines to run on propane for more fuel efficiency, cheaper cost of fuel, and cheaper engine maintenance.
Oh, wow. Well, what is some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
Work hard. You know, that's, at the end of the day, you got to hustle nonstop. There's nothing comes easy. Cut costs where you can and just bust it.
Well, where can everyone find you if they want to get in contact with you?
PropanePowerSystems.com.
Absolutely. Thank you so much,
All right,
bro. I
thanks, Mac.
appreciate it.
Yep.
What's your name and the name of your business?
Jeffrey Roush and Daybreaker Landscapes.
What is some good business advice you would give to someone if they're just starting out?
Have a plan. Build a plan from the start, because I started with no plan and it took me a lot longer to get anywhere. So get a good plan and treat it like a real business. Even if you're small, treat it like it's a Fortune 500 company. Those are the mistakes I've made. Didn't have a plan.
Awesome, man. Make sure you have a plan. Let's go.